It happened again. I forgot to talk about something. This last CD in my pile, Triage. These are friends of mine. Um, these guys I would compare to Swans, uh, another friend of mine, and I will often joke about how they're kind of a Swans rip-off band. And I don't know, I guess from my perspective as an artist, you want to be more individualistic and not have your influences be too obvious and apparent for the sake of being mistaken for a ripoff or something like that. So these guys are the real deal. That's all just joking. And I'd also compare them to Glenn Branca, and I remember talking to Alex about that at some point, and I was one of the few people who could hear that in their music. Because unfortunately, a lot of people don't know who Glenn Branca is. But yeah, I mean, if you like no wave, post rock, crescendo rock kind of stuff, this is well worth checking out. Triage. I doubt I'll be able to splice this onto my other video, but give that a shot. And if not, just post this as a standalone thing, just just for my own intellectual integrity, just to make sure people get to know about the music of my region. So yeah, this is good stuff. Uh, a cameo from Kitty. Okay, bye bye.